and family, welcome to the channel. You are in my bathroom. I did have this bathroom kind of semi-remodeled from the original format. What's going on 2 years ago now. And I am a stockpiler. I do buy stuff on top of stuff on top of stuff. So toward the end of last year, I was like, I am out of deodorant. How did I run out of deodorant? Well, guess what? I couldn't find it. I was looking. Could not find the deodorant. Had to buy about, when I bought it, I bought like 6 or 7. That's almost a year's worth for me. 6 more. So then I got home a little later, a couple of weeks passed, and I found it. It was up here. So if you've been watching my channel, you saw that I did get the deal from Walmart on the home edit line. I have been watching the girls on Netflix and getting motivated in the head, but the head must connect to the actions. And plus, I just suffer from decision fatigue. But since this stuff is already kind of organized, I just need to be able to see what I have. I gotta be able to see it. So I won't go buy it again, because I tell you, I don't need a thing. I don't need a cleaning supply. I don't need a toilet paper. I don't need a paper towel. I don't need nothing. I may need some scent beads every now and then. I don't even need bleach. I don't even need, basically cleaning supplies have to be used in order for you to need them all the time. I don't use them all the time. So I have plenty. I probably have a year's worth of 90% of the things I need. A year's worth. I just need to get this stuff in order so I can see what I have a constant view without it being messy, without it being cluttered, of the inventory. So I am doing this shelf. It's actually in the throne room or the water closet, however you want to call it. And I'm going to do this shelf with the home edit line. And I'm going to try to get it good and organized and see where that puts me. So here is the before, and I will come through with the after. Because I do not, these are all hand soaps up here. Hand soaps and deodorant. I don't need another one. I just got to work through this stuff. So let's see what I come up with. Stay tuned. This may be a long video. It may be a short video. I may come back in tears because I can't figure it out. But let's see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, to recap, in case you did not see the prior videos, what I'm going to use in my bathroom organization is these bins from the home edit line. The large bins, $5. I did get 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. And then I also have, I kept those because I did let a friend get some. I also have the 10-piece bath edit with 3 large insert bins. These are for the drawers for the most part. So it's 3 large insert, 4 medium insert, and 3 small. So that may not be used. It says 15, but they rang up for 5 at the Walmart. And then I also have the 5-piece laundry edit. I bought 2, but a friend got 1 of them. And they have the 2 of the large bins and 1 turntable and 2 narrow bins. So I only got 1 of these sets left because I let the friend get 1. They were $12 and that's what they rang up, but they were regular $24.98. So this is what I'm using. Some of these items in the bathroom edit that I am doing. So stay tuned. I'm going to turn on me an Audible book and try to work this thing out of my head. Stay tuned. Okay, fam. It took me a few hours because I stopped to have dinner or cook and eat dinner. And then I took a little nap in between. It's a shame. I got sleepy. I couldn't even finish. However, I did go through and I found a Victoria's Secret lotion that sells for like $22 on eBay. So you know that got listed. Yeah, I won't be using it. It can go on eBay. And I really didn't throw away a lot of stuff. I don't think I threw away anything. I just took stuff out of packaging. I removed all the baskets. I did use one, and I thought this looked cute with roll-up washcloths. So I left that. I took the big brown one that was overwhelming out. And then I had a few little straggly items that they're up next to use. I pulled some stuff from under the sink. So it's more stuff here now than it was before, because I pulled stuff from under the sink, off the top of the sink to get it in the categories. So, this is like poopery. So this is like poopery and wipes, and then the straggly stuff. And then the rolled up washcloths, my rolled up hair towels, and then towels that I really never use. But in case I have a gentleman caller, that will be theirs. That ain't happening. But these are bar soaps. This is what's in use right now. It's open. But these are all unopened soaps. Even Dr. Bronner's bar soaps. I pulled some from under the sink, which is not a good place to keep your soaps. If you have a leak, they're almost ruined. Here's all the face masks, and I probably have more around the bathroom. This is out of the bathroom set. And I have more of the face masks around the bathroom. I'm sure that I'll find and go ahead and add to this collection. Then I have all my unopened Dr. Teal's. And then I have all my face wipes. I have my emergency prepping wipes. I could take a whole bath with those, and they go all the way back. But if need be, a whole bath, they're premium washcloths, you can take a whole bath. And then up here, I'm short, excuse me, I have all the refillable hand soaps. I had a few straggler body washes, because I pulled them all from under the sink. And that's full of body washes and my underarm deodorant. So all of this plus stuff under the sink. Now I see what I have. I don't have to go out and buy majority of this stuff for years. Now these I use often. I might buy some of these in the next 3 to 4 months. But I can see as it's dwindling, I probably even got stuff in the linen closet to backfill some of this stuff. I hope you get a clear picture. But I love this shelf. Now I can see. I do better seeing. I know it's a little overload on the colors and everything, but I still need to see what I have, because otherwise I'll keep buying it. And I used to be I am still a couponer. I will go to Dollar General, or Family Dollar and run a Saturday deal every now and then. But now I know I don't need this stuff. And I'll discuss about other situations later. So this really helps me in my situation. But basically now I'm unemployed, so I don't need to be buying all this stuff. And now I know I have everything. I don't have to worry about it. So that's part of prepping. You prep for unemployment. You prep for uncertainties. You prep for a lot of things. So here's what I did. I'm going to do the under sink. And I'm going to pretty much make that cleaning products and hair products under the sink. So those videos are to come. But because I have trouble making decisions, and it takes me so long to do this, or even to decide in my head I'm going to do it, how I'm going to do it, I'm going to have to take one bite at a time. And even as I go under the sinks, I may find stuff I forgot I had. I may find stuff, for the trash. But I really do just need to get this stuff in order, take inventory, may even find some good eBay items. But I have completed this, and I am proud of myself. Pat on the back. Comment below if you like what I did, or or any other comments you may have. Or if you need some couponing advice or some direction towards some couponing YouTubers that can help you get a stockpile like this. Because if you have a large family, you should have a large stockpile at this point. But I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Click like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell for when I do these deals. Because these containers, now I do love these containers, and I will be looking for the remaining Walmarts to put them on sale. So ring the bell. Because when I let you know, it'll be another parking lot chronicle after I get what I need. Now that I'm taking inventory, I'm using them, and I will be on the lookout for more. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.